Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Valorant getting stuck on the loading screen. This problem usually happens when the game can't connect properly to the servers or when importing components like Riot Vanguard, the anti-cheat system, fail to start. Other possible causes include corrupted files, a recent update not installing correctly, outdated drivers, or interference from your Windows firewall. The first fix you should try is reinstalling Riot Vanguard. The system is required for Valorant to launch, and if it's damaged or missing, the game will freeze during startup. To do this, press Windows and R at the same time, type appwiz.cpl, and hit enter. This will open the list of installed programs. Find Riot Vanguard, double-click on it, and confirm the uninstall. Once it's gone, open Valorant again. The launcher will automatically reinstall Vanguard. When the installation finishes, restart your computer and launch Valorant. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If you're still stuck, the next thing to try is deleting the misconfigured manifest files. These files tell Valorant what to load when it starts, and if they're corrupted, the game can freeze on the loading screen. To fix this, open File Explorer and go to c:/riotgames/Valorant/live. If your game is installed on a different drive, adjust the letter accordingly. Inside that folder, find the two manifest files, right-click on them, and select Delete. After that, relaunch Valorant so the game can create new files automatically. Another potential solution is to run Valorant as an administrator. This gives the game the permissions it needs to access certain system files and settings. Right-click the Valorant icon on your desktop and select Run as Administrator, or search for Valorant in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Wait for the game to launch and see if it loads past the stuck screen. If Valorant is installed on a hard drive, consider moving it to an SSD. Hard drive load data much slower than solid-state drives, and this delay can cause the game to hang on loading screens. Installing the game on an SSD usually improves load times and stability. You should also make sure Valorant is allowed through the Windows firewall. The firewall might block the game's connection to the servers. Open the control panel, go to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings, then Allow another app. Browse to your Valorant installation folder and add valorant.exe, riotclientservices.exe, and vgc.exe. Restart your computer and test the game again. If none of these work, try resetting your network settings. This will restore your internet configuration to default and can solve issues caused by DNS errors or invalid proxy settings. Press the Windows key, type Network Reset, and open it. Click Reset Now, wait for your PC to restart, then open Valorant again. Following these steps should help you fix Valorant when it's stuck on the loading screen. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and share it with your squad so everyone's ready for Battlefield 6.